In this video, we'll look at how you can quickly get started using Teams. Note, your course team has been set up in the staff tenancy for semester 1 and you have been added as a guest. In the left-hand menu, you can click on Teams to see all the teams that you're a member of, and then click on the Pacific course team. Not all the channels which are used for communication may be showing, so you may need to show some. So I'm going to go click on Hidden Channels. And the numbered channels are usually for the whole course, so I'm going to choose to show them. You may also want to show specific channels that you need to be a member of, i.e. as your tutorial group. Note, the channels with a little lock icon are private, and for this example, I've been added to a project channel for my project group. You can also pin channels at the top of the column, so I could also choose to pin my project group and my tutorial group. So they're available at the top of the column for quick access. You can respond to a discussion in a channel using a number of tools. I'm going to go into the social channel, so I can give a thumbs up or some other reaction. Note there's also more tools as well as more actions available from there. I can reply to the post and then use the tools such as formatting, attach a file, which if it's an image will show, add in an emoticon, a gift, a sticker. Note that stream isn't available at UQ, and I can also use a little praise function there as well, and or an app. You can also start a new discussion by adding a new post. So I could click on new conversation. I might want to use formatting. Note that you can also tag members of the team. So just use the @ symbol and start typing their name. So you can tag other students, staff. Your course coordinator might also set up groups. So they might be a teaching staff group, for example. And post. You can also edit or delete posts. So I'm just going to edit this post and update. Your course coordinator or tutor may also have added tabs to the top of a channel. For example, in a tutorial channel, you might have links to resources that you're going to use in a tutorial activity, i.e. I've got a link to a Padlet wall, and I can also select to open that in a new tab. There's also a link here to a Word document that we might be using in the tutorial, and you might choose to open that instead of in Teams in the browser. Note that all files that have been uploaded to a channel can be found in the Files tab. You can also upload or create new documents to co-edit. So I can go into Files and I could choose to upload a document or choose to create a new document for my project team, for example, to work on. Give it a name, and I advise that you open that in the browser so you can co-edit. Also note with channels that you can actually tag everyone in the channel. So just type in channels. So for private channels, it's all the members, and for open channels, anyone who's actually selected to keep it selected the open option on the channel. Note some other functionality that's also available in Teams. You can set up private chats, so i.e. I can enter the names of the people I want to include in the chat. Note, because you're a guest, you'll not be able to upload files to the private chat. You can check your activity. You can check the files. You can go to the Microsoft Help on Teams, and probably what you really need to do is make sure that you have set. I'm just going to go into my team and check Manage Team and set the notifications on the channels. So for each channel, I can click and choose channel notifications and determine how I want them set. A reminder, as per the UQ Charter, you must treat all members of the UQ community with respect and courtesy. This includes online environments such as Teams.